Well, as I'm doing this voiceover, you may hear some fireworks going off in the background. I don't know. But anyway, if you hear that noise, that's what it is. It's fireworks. I finally got a chance to get out in the pool and try this new rechargeable vacuum. I love it. Absolutely love it and would highly recommend it. I had returned the other one, the one that crawls by itself on the bottom of the pool. If you saw that in one of my other videos, I had to return it because I have wrinkles in the bottom of my pool and it kept getting caught. So I thought I'd try this, and it works like a charm. And I will put a picture up of the item number if you're interested in it. I had got it off of Amazon. They had a coupon attached to it, so I did save some money on it. Definitely worth it. It really was in there sucking up all those leaves and bugs and stuff. And I don't know what is going on with my liner. Some of this you might notice, half of the liner has a, see, right here, it's all yellow. It's yellowing. The right's yellowing and the left is blue. I don't know what's up with it. Well, anyway, I finished vacuuming. This here is what it all got. All the leaves up at the top, some leaves down here at the bottom with all the bugs. Letting the water drain out, and then I'm going to go ahead and all you do is just empty it out and rinse it out, stick it back on charge, and get ready for the next time you need it. It's lightweight. Now, the only thing that I didn't care about it was there right there's the thing. Anyway, I didn't care about it was the handle. It was sort of wobbly. It just wouldn't tighten up for some reason. But again, that, you know me, could be operator error. And I had a devil of a time trying to get this off. But I got it. So yeah, it worked. Just rinse that baby out and dump it out and charge her up, and she's ready to go again. So again, like I said, definitely highly recommend it. Here, I put those arrows in. You can see the top where it was. See how it's yellow? That is the liner. It's not dirt, and I don't know why it's done that. Yeah, you can see it from up top too. This is my little oasis. The water has been a perfect 90 degrees. It's quiet up here, peaceful. Just lay back, relax, enjoy the sun, the quiet, and the water. Okay, guys, getting ready a day ahead of time for 4th of July. I'm going to make baked beans and the 7-layer taco dip to take to the 4th of July party. And for dinner tonight, I think I want a meatball sub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, because I don't want to have a whole bunch of dirty dishes, I'm going to go ahead and start the bacon, get that frying, and then when that's done, I'm just going to cook my meatballs in the bacon grease. I mean, why not, right? Doesn't hurt to try if I don't like it. Oh, well. So I'm just going to cook my meatballs in the bacon grease. I mean, who doesn't love meatballs and who doesn't love bacon, right? Right. It's got to be good. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get started on that. So I'm going to start heating up my pan. I'm going to start heating up the pan, and I'm going to cut these bacon in little pieces. They tend to be easier to cook that way. Look at me with my little pinky out. You think I'm some English woman drinking a cup of tea. All right. I don't know why it keeps going up. I guess it thinks it gives me More momentum. I don't want that fat. Let's get this bacon in the pan. Oh, I remember the song. My sister reminded me. I forgot it again. Oh, bring home the bacon, fried up in a pan, and never, never forget you, a man, or something like that. I don't know. Look it up. Google it. Bring home the bacon, fried up in a pan. It's an old thing from the 70s. Okay, let's get this bacon frying. Okay, it was a commercial for some perfume. I can bring home the bacon, fry it up in the pan, and never, never let you forget you're a man, 'cause I'm a woman. Lovely. That's what it was. Google it. Look up the commercial. Alright. Doesn't that look good? For our baked beans. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Bacon is done. Let's get some meatballs made. Okay, I'm not mixing anything in my meatballs. I think I'm just going to make them meat since it's going to have the flavoring of the bacon grease. Oh, just a fun fact. See this red stuff? A lot of people think it's blood. It's not. It is, oh, let me think, myoglobin. It is a protein, is what it is. I know a lot of people think that it's blood, but it's not. All right. So I am just mixing up, like I said, just the meat. It will have bacon flavoring, and then, I don't know, make a meatball sandwich. These are some big meatballs. Hear the sizzle? Love that sizzle. You can just smell it in here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like breakfast. I dropped a paper towel on the floor, and Mr. Cooper, I stepped on it so he wouldn't get it, and the little sucker's down there tearing it up. And I can't do anything right now because my hands are all yucky. Little turkey. Get the meatballs in there frying. So I'm going to clean up this mess and we'll be right back. It's going to take a while for these to cook. They're pretty big meatballs. Go ahead and take these meatballs out. I know they're not all the way done. I'm going to stick them in a different pan. And then I'm going to let them simmer in sauce for a while. Sound like a plan. Oh, look there, a piece of bacon. Put that back in there. Okay. Got me some Ragu Simply 8. This stuff's really good. No sugar added. Listen to the pop. That's freshness. Okay, let's stick that in there. Let these meatballs simmer. In the meantime, I gotta get rid of this grease. Okay, let's get these beans started. I am starting out with 2 large Bush's home-style baked beans. You can use any kind of baked beans you want, but I just like the Bush's home-style. one small can. It's 15.5 ounces of Canna lily beans. It's a white bean drained. Dump them in there. Got one small can, 15.5 ounce light red kidney beans, also drained. One small onion, chopped. One small green pepper, chopped. Yes, my hands have been washed, they're clean, so don't panic. Don't get your panties in a bunch. Let's see here. Then I need to add, got some catsup. I'm going to use approximately, I can get it open. Oh, man, why do they make these things so difficult? There we go. I'm gonna say, take the lid off. I guess I'm gonna need more catsup. I hate to waste it, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water in it. Shake it up, baby. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right. Go ahead and use that. Now I'm going to use. The grandkids are here. They'd love that. About a quarter cup of ketchup. Some use Worcestershire sauce. I have something on my foot, but I like to use A1 sauce, the original. So I use just about a tablespoonful. And then I'm going to add some brown sugar, if I can find it. I know I have it. Oh, I know you're up here somewhere. I know you're up here somewhere. Okay, I found it. I am going to use 2 heaping tablespoonfuls. Why? Why not a little bit more of a dash? Because I like brown sugar. Okay. Let's mix this baby up. And then we're going to let this simmer for a while. Get all these flavors together. All right, it would help for me to turn the stove on medium-low. Let that get to simmering. I'm not going to add the bacon until tomorrow before I go. That way the bacon will be crispy and it won't be soggy. All right, let me get this cleaned up and I will be back. You know what? I decided I'm going to add a dash of mustard. Why? Because I can. There we go. That's all. Just a little bit of spice. Woohoo! Okay, there you go. That looks delish. Okay, back to cleaning up. Good morning, friends. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. We are in the process of getting ready to go to a party. I'm going to a cookout today, pool party. And I am bringing a 7-layer taco salad dip and baked beans, which you saw me make earlier. Last minute I decided, hey, I got stuff here for mac and cheese. I got to use it up. Might as well make some mac and cheese. So we're going to be making mac and cheese, finishing up the baked beans, and making the 7-layer taco dip. After that, we're going to be headed over to the cookout to enjoy time with family and friends. And I hope you guys all have a safe and fun day as well. So come on, join me. Let's get this stuff done. Okay, I got the noodles in here, boiling. Got everything out that I'm going to need. The onions, sour cream, refried beans, tomatoes. I got to get the cheese out still. Blue chips, because we're going to be making a flag. We're going to be making a 7-layer taco dip that looks like an American flag. I saw it online and thought, oh, that's fun. Why not do that for the party? Keep the patriotic theme alive, right? I've got to take these things off my head because these little doohickey things are like getting in my eyeballs. I keep thinking I got like a spider or fly or something on me. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, since refried beans are the first layer, I've got traditional refried beans that I'm going to, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend them because you got that, see how the oil in the beans is? And see what I mean on how hard it would spread? All right, let me get a metal spoon. Hold on. So let's get these. This, by the way, is a 31-ounce can. What would it be, or what kind of day, if I didn't screw up? If I didn't forget something? Well, guess what? I was trying to figure out what was missing. I only had 6 layers. At least that's what I counted. 1, 2. Anyway, so I went to put the dip in the fridge, and guess what was in there? Just smiling away because it's not getting ate in the dip. The guacamole. I forgot the guacamole. Oh, good Lord. I don't even drink. I forgot the guac. Huh, I forgot the guac. I forgot the guacamole. Can you believe it? Yeah, you guys can believe anything's gonna happen with me. So I guess what I'll do is just, I can't take this apart. I'll just take it with me, and if, because I'm not a guacamole person, but, oh well. So what's new with me, huh? Screwed up again. Oh well. So I am going to get this in the fridge. I still have the bacon. I still have the bacon to put on the baked beans, but I'm waiting last minute. I threw together some mac and cheese because I had a bunch of cheese left over. Had some elbow mac, so why not? So I guess I'll, the bacon smells so good. I guess I'll just, I don't know. We'll figure it out, right? Right. All right, guys. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and get this dip in the fridge. Go relax a little bit before it's time to go. So I'll see you soon. Maybe. Maybe I'll take you to the party with me. I don't know. Either way, I'll see you soon.
I don't know. I think everybody's doing really well.
It's ribs.
Is that like a taco?
Well, 4th of July, 2025. Another one down in the books. Went by fast. Had a great time with friends that I consider family. Lots of food. Lots of good conversation. Had a really good time. Came home and thought I could see some fireworks. Went outside to try and see them. And, of course, the dogs were going berserk. So I really couldn't film out back. I did try to go out front to catch them, but I couldn't see them, but you could hear them. So, hey, that's close enough for fireworks for me, right? Now I'm inside, gonna sit back, relax, catch up on some YouTube, and just enjoy the evening. So I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. I hope you stayed safe. So thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please give me a subscribe. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, helps my channel. And also, as always, to my grandkids, I love you, and I will see you soon.